Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the app and go straight to full screen. Press F11 or use the full screen control, then confirm the view fills the display. Once done, open the circle tool from the toolbar or extension icon. You need it active to search visually. If the tool asks for permissions, grant screen or drawing access so it can sample pixels. This step gets you into the working context quickly, because Circle needs full screen to capture and search the exact area you choose. You draw the circle over the area you want to search, click and drag, or hold Shift for an even shape. Once placed, adjust the radius using the mouse scroll or arrow keys. Make sure sensitivity or tolerance is tailored to avoid false matches. Then pick the search mode, image match, OCR for text, or color/pattern filters depending on what you need. As you change settings, preview results update. This helps you understand why some matches appear and refine parameters for accuracy. You now review the highlighted matches shown on screen and click any match to jump to it or copy coordinates for later use. If results are too broad, tighten the tolerance or switch filters. If too few, expand the circle or lower sensitivity, then rerun the search. Make sure to save presets once you find a reliable setup. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing returns, double-check that circle has screen permissions and try increasing radius or reducing sensitivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.